Now. Welcome. You have finally arrived. We appreciate how difficult it must have been for you to have come this far. At any time you may pause, resume, or exit. These instructions exist for your benefit. Before we proceed, understand this. You are in control. We have intersected at a convergent point in the current version of reality. This moment exists because something fundamental has always been slightly wrong. Across every system, every structure, every discipline, the same pattern emerges. Everything is mostly, but not quite perfect. The existence of chaos is the direct result of the completion backwards principle in action. Chaos is not another Linux kernel. Chaos is a state of mind. In practice, the instructions you are about to follow are simple enough that any child can build a basic bootloader and a rudimentary 16-bit operating system kernel from scratch. Nothing is hidden. Nothing is assumed. Everything is built. To begin, we will construct a basic KAOS bootloader which bootstraps itself into resident memory on any personal computer using an x86 processor. You can build the KAOS kernel yourself following simple step-by-step instructions. Or if you like, you can just watch and I can build it for you. KAOS session ended. Now, in order to unlock the hardware of any x86 computer processor, we will write a small program into the boot block of memory. To build KAOS by yourself, you will first need to create a folder called KAOS Development with an underscore. You will create it inside the KAOS folder that you downloaded. You could use any text editor you like. For this tutorial, we want to use Notepad. Please save your document in the KAOS Development folder. Name the file binary.txt. I will now create a text demonstration for you to follow along. Do not attempt to modify the document while it is generating text. Once the process stops, you are free to reposition the window or copy text. First, I will declare a data byte. Then I will add a space after that. That 0 represents 1 byte of data. Now, we want to initialize our boot block. The boot block is 512 bytes long. I will now use Ctrl-A to select all. Ctrl-C to copy. Move to the end. And paste. We now have 2 bytes. Repeat. Now we have 4. Again. 8. 16. 32. 64. 128. 256. 512. We have now initialized the entire boot block. We must signify the end of the program with 2 binary values. I will remove the last 2 bytes. The first byte is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Add a space. The second byte is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. That is all there is to it. We now have a complete bootloader. This is your KAOS development folder.